Okay, so the first website I chose was Fandango. This is a data-driven website because it shows you movie times near you, new movies, and it's constantly being updated. It also shows you seats and who has what seats, so you can choose which seat you want, as you see here. If this was a static website, you wouldn't be able to get like what time this new movie comes out or what day this movie comes out. It would usually just be old information, and it would take a while to get the new information. Second website I chose was Walmart, and because if you look something up, let's just click something. If you look something up that's not there, it'll give you a Walmart that's close to you that has it. See, it says free pickup here, free pickup today. So it means the Walmart near me has it, but if it didn't, it would give me a Walmart closer that had it. The third website I chose was a stats website for football, because this is data as well. It's just giving stats. If this was a static website, it just wouldn't be dynamic at all. You would get no new information at all. And the fourth website I chose was a car dealership. Click on one. They constantly have new cars cycling through, so that's data. They constantly tell you like what cars are and aren't there, what cars you can and cannot buy, how much the car cost, when the car got there, how many miles are on the car, etc. Miles per gallon, all different kinds of stuff. And if this was static, you would get no new cars on here. And then the fifth website I chose was Google Trends, which is a data website where you can just look up what people have been looking up that day or any day. So you can do day, you could do hours, 90 days, months. But I chose a day and I chose football. And today, this is how many people were looking at football. Oklahoma had 100 people looking at football. Idaho 94, Alabama had 89, Mississippi had 83, Utah had 81. You can also see related inquiries, related topics. Sunday Night Football had 4,100 people search for it. Yeah, that's about it.